Welcome. In this quick guide, you'll learn exactly how to turn on dark mode in Facebook, step by step. Whether you're trying to give your eyes a break, save a bit of battery life, or just love the look of a dark interface, this updated walkthrough will help you get it done in seconds. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're using the latest version so that all the settings appear correctly. Once the app is open, look toward the bottom right corner on iPhone or the top right on Android. You'll see the menu icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines. Go ahead and tap on that. Next, scroll down until you see the section called Settings and Privacy. Tap it to expand the menu options. From here, you'll notice several useful settings, but the one we're focusing on is dark mode. Tap on dark mode and you'll be taken to a new screen with a few choices. Now, you'll see 3 options: on, off, and use system settings. If you want Facebook to stay in dark mode all the time, simply tap on. Instantly, the app's background turns darker, giving you that sleek modern look that's easier on the eyes, especially at night. If you'd prefer Facebook to automatically switch between light and dark based on your phone's settings, choose Use System Settings. That way, Facebook follows whatever theme your device already uses. And that's it. You've successfully enabled dark mode in Facebook. It's a small change that makes a big difference: less glare, more comfort, and a whole new vibe while scrolling through your feed.